Hello, everyone. Potatoes are a rich source of nutrition and very beneficial for our health. Today, I will show you how to sprout potato seeds using water mixed with honey, a simple method that helps them germinate faster and grow stronger. Like, subscribe for more garden videos. If you have used foam boxes at home, don't rush to throw them away. You can reuse them to grow potatoes with an automatic green fertilizer system, a very simple method that brings surprisingly effective results.
Thì muốn đi chơi mạng thì cứ bảo lần thì nó điện đến cảm hay rồi.
If you've tried this method, comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Before planting potatoes, we should mix the soil thoroughly with organic fertilizer to make it loose and well aerated, helping the potatoes gain enough energy to grow right. If this tip helps your plants grow better, tap like and leave a comment to inspire others. Once the potatoes grow strong, we need to boost their nutrition by adding green compost to the container, providing a long-term nutrient source after decomposition. In addition, I also apply eco-friendly organic fertilizer and add fresh. If you're enjoying this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe to support the garden. Following the potato growth cycle, I continue to care for the plants at each stage. At this time, the potatoes are forming tubers, so I use green compost mixed with water for irrigation. This green fertilizer helps the plants grow. If you're enjoying this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe to support the garden. Potatoes can usually be harvested after about 2 months. Now I will check and harvest them to see how the results turn out. amazing. Without spending too much time, I already have foam boxes full of potatoes. Now, I can use them as a clean and nutritious food source for my family. Tell me what you want to see next. Leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe.